Welcome to our latest video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with NSTextView in macOS applications. If you've ever tried to make a snapshot of an NSTextView that's currently hidden, you might have noticed that the text is not drawn correctly. This can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to create a seamless user experience. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and explore a step-by-step solution to get your snapshots looking perfect. By the end of this video, you'll understand what's causing the problem, how to diagnose it, and most importantly, how to fix it. So let's start by understanding why this problem occurs in the first place. When an NSTextView is hidden, its layout manager doesn't update the view's content, which means that any subsequent snapshots will only capture the empty space where the text should be. This is because the cacheDisplayInRect method relies on the view being visible and having a valid layout. Now, you might wonder why this isn't handled automatically by the framework. The reason lies in how macOS handles views and their layout. When a view becomes hidden, its layout is essentially paused, and any subsequent updates are ignored until it's made visible again. This behavior is actually a performance optimization, as it prevents unnecessary computations when a view isn't being displayed. Given this understanding, the solution to our problem involves making sure that the NSTextView is temporarily visible before taking the snapshot. One way to achieve this is by using a temporary window or view that we can use as a rendering context for our hidden text view. We'll then make this window visible, take the snapshot, and finally dispose of it. Here's an analogy to help illustrate this process. Think of your hidden NSTextView like a painting that you want to photograph. If the painting is not lit or visible, the photo will only capture darkness. By temporarily moving the painting into a well-lit area, our temporary window, we can take a clear picture before returning it to its original location. To recap, here are the essential points from this video. 1. The problem of incorrect snapshots with hidden NSTextViews is due to how macOS handles views and layout. 2. A solution involves making the view temporarily visible by using a temporary rendering context. 3. This process can be thought of as moving an object into a better lit area for photography before returning it to its original location. That's all for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing for more content on macOS development. Have questions or topics you'd like to discuss further? Leave them in the comments below. We're always eager to engage with our audience and provide additional insights where possible. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with snapshots in NSTextView in the comments.